I'm very excited to visit again Colombia. I've been there a lot of times teaching thousands of students around the whole country, of course, whole Latin America. But this time I'm coming back to bring good news that there are more advanced teachings on how to awaken the power of your soul through sexual and secretive fire alchemy. So if you hear the word soul, what does it mean to you? Well, I will be talking about the energy anatomy of consciousness. What are the centers of energy that stimulates your mind, your emotions, your aura, and your physical health, and also your consciousness? There are 5 levels of consciousness you can learn. And also, what is the nature of the soul? What are the seats of the soul in your personality, so that you can trace when you incarnate with your parents, what are the weeks and months that the soul anchors at the physical genetic level, emotional genetic, and your mental genetics. So these are in different times of the incarnation process. And when is it true abortion? When you have this number of weeks that the soul has anchored the mind. So there are 3 layers of the aura in the personality. So we will define these and at least 12 energy centers called the chakras. We'll also define the kundalini and the difference between the sacred fire and the sexual alchemy awakening. These are all discussed in the talk and a workshop called Awakening the Power of the Soul. And what is the difference between the soul and the spirit and the personality? And what comprises the personality? Like lower soul, or is it really the lower ego and higher ego called the personality? So these are to be differentiated and understood so that you can boost your vitality, you can heal and stabilize your emotions, you can sharpen your concrete mind, you can stimulate and inspire your strategic and abstract mind. These are all part of the practical workshops for spiritual seekers, meditators, yogi practitioners, healers, and even people who are really looking for higher truth and advanced training, or those who are serious to learn very practical techniques of exercises, breathing techniques, meditation techniques, and self-healing meditation to heal your past, transform your present, and empower your future. This will be done in one whole class from 9 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. with a lunch break and also snack break. And so I'd like to invite all of you, since we are offering this service in collaboration to the Comunidad Ametista. We'd like to invite not only the members of this community, but even people who are seeking for higher truth and advancing their self-mastery. So I hope to see you there, and it will be a great fun, a great education, and also a great experience. It's a very practical workshop that can educate you at least 3 advanced meditations and self-healing techniques so that you will prepare your consciousness, your personality to awaken the power of the soul. And this is so important in today's world where you need to equip yourself with more advanced strategy to be able to align despite of the adversities and commotion and complexity of life today. You need the more advanced techniques that can be done in a very short time without much training. And this is a path of self-mastery. So I hope to see you soon. Namaskar.